Good evening, I'm Carol Morrison. Here are your top stories from 2 Works for You. Equifax has reached a $700 million settlement over one of the largest data breaches in history. Today, the Federal Trade Commission announcing that the credit bureau is going to pay into a fund to compensate consumers affected by the 2017 breach. Nearly 150 million people had their sensitive data stolen, including Social Security and driver's license numbers. Officials say Equifax's carelessness caused damage to millions. The settlement is the largest data breach enforcement action in history. A recent federal audit finds government hospitals place Native American patients at a higher risk for opioid abuse and overdose. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services found some Indian health hospitals didn't follow the agency's protocol for prescribing and dispensing drugs. The report says at the 5 hospitals it reviewed, patients were given opioids that exceeded federal guidelines. And crews are working to replace a portion of Highway 75 after the hot weather caused the road to buckle. It happened yesterday in Washington County. Emergency management officials posted this picture of the damage to Highway 75 between Ramona and Skiatook. ODOT says the northbound right lane of Highway 75 between Country Road 3900 and Country Road 4000 will be closed for a couple of days while they replace the concrete.
And that cloud cover and a couple of showers that we saw this morning now clearing out. Clear conditions on our Viper 4D dual Doppler radar as we head into the rest of your Monday evening. Temperature is going to be in those middle 80s, around 85 for us as we head into the 5 o'clock hour. Mostly sunny skies until the sun sets tonight. Then overnight lows dropping into those middle 60s, 65 for us here in Tulsa. Clear and cooler conditions on the way, not only for the rest of your Monday, but Tuesday, Wednesday as well. Check out tomorrow, a high of 84. Going to be definitely below average, but this won't last very long. Back into those 90s as we go into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Low to middle 90s before showers and storms arrive on Monday morning.
Thank you for catching up with 2 Works for You. We'll bring you another update here around 9:15.